Welcome to Libre's Tech Clips. I'm Jenny, and today we are going to talk about the attachment filters for encrypted files. To add an exception to password-protected attachments, go to Content Analysis Arrow Attachment Filters. Select the File Name Rules tab and then click New. In the screen that appears, change the entry type by selecting File Extension, enter the file extension, for example PDF, and fill in the remaining fields. You can also add an exception for a single recipient, a domain, or all contacts on your appliance. Then select whether you want to enable or block the file extension you entered, and you can then add a comment to explain what rule you are implementing. After saving, remember to click the Apply Pending Changes button to make the changes you just made take effect. Now password-protected PDF files can be received.